How's it? Today we are learning about hyperlinks and connecting our pages. So let's go ahead and get started. So we created a home page and now we want to add some links, just some basic links. We can jazz them up later. First you're going to go, of course, open up Text Wrangler, and on the bottom right there's a view. I would go to the view 200%. I'm just going to be zooming in and out, but sorry if you get sick. I'm gonna go ahead and open the web page so you can see what we're looking at, and then the folders. So right now you have an image folder, okay, and you have the website right here. Now I'm gonna make some more websites. So I'm going to in my text wrangler, I'm gonna go to File, New, Text Document, okay, and new code. So whenever you do new code, HTML, and before I forget, I'm going to put file save as, and I'm going to save this as a .html, so not a text file like we don't want. So I'm going to call this about.html, okay, and I'll put it in the HTML folder. That's saved in your Google Drive, so you can access it from any computer. And now it's an HTML file. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep going. If you ever close something like this, you can open File, Open Recent, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the About one. So, first of all, we start out just HTML. Okay, and then let's see. Head, title, and our title is going to be about, and then your hobby. So if it's photography, I'll do that, and then I'm going to close title and close the head. Okay, so just like so. Now I'm gonna open up to body, and for my title right now, let's just do an H1, and let's call this inspire, but align equals center. Close that. We have inspire, and I'm going to close my H1 and close my body and close my HTML. Command S to save. Go over here to your right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the About. Okay, and there's inspire. It's centered, middle, perfect. So what you're going to do is do that same thing and create about, and just check the directions to see what other pages you need to make. But we're going to hyperlink, okay, from the index page. Remember, we have this page. I'm going to put in about here, so when we click about, it goes to that page. So in our text wrangler, we had about open, so I'm going to now put file, open recent, and I'm going to put index, okay, and in my index I'm going to add to this code. So right below your title, okay, we are actually going to make unlock, so we're going to put about. Now we need to make this a hyperlink. So for hyperlinks, let's go ahead, and it's called a href. Okay, a href. So we're gonna put a space href. So only one space, and put equals, and we're gonna call this about.html. Okay, or whatever you named it. It has to be exactly. It can't be like this. It has to be exactly how you named your file before. Okay, a href equals about.html, and then we're going to hit Command S to save. Okay, and now you're going to go in and refresh, and you see the about, and click on about, and it goes to our Inspire page. Now if it doesn't work, okay, you first of all want to make sure that this matches the same as your code. You also want to make sure this page is in this page. Okay, they have to be like kind of in the same folder area. Definitely use this view. Okay, and when you use Text Wrangler, use 200% so you can see a little bit better. So those are some troubleshooting things you can do. So that's an introduction to links. Again, just check the directions, and you can add more links later to your page.